everyone. So for my term project, I did an educational software that allows all students to learn how to type. Let's just get started. So I run my program, and this is the screen that appears, and there's a login screen. So I can start out by making a username. Oh, this one already exists. Okay, so let's be user 2. So if I try to submit this, this account does not exist, so we're just going to start with a new one. And here we're given several choices, so let's start with beginner. We have a middle row, top row, and a bottom row. So if we start with the middle row, we see all the letters from the middle row are given, and they're randomly generated, and here we have the accuracy and the speed. So let's just start typing. And a cool thing about this program is that although the letters are initially randomly generated, the machine learns from the user's mistakes. So suppose I decide to mess up on S a lot, or D. I'm messing up on D a lot, like a lot. Just to make sure that the machine is getting a lot of data, and to mimic a student who is maybe not just starting to learn, and so making a lot of mistakes as well. So after my accuracy has gone down and my speed has gone down as well, I keep going. We can see that the program does not allow me to keep going unless I type the right letter. So I keep going, and I mess up on a couple of other ones as well. Let me mess up on this S as well. And now that I'm done, it gives me my accuracy and also my average words per minute throughout the entire session, and I can go to the stats page and it plots this, and this was my first time. So I can go back to the main menu, and I guess I can just log out now, and the next time I want to use this program, I can submit my username, and if we go back to the middle row, we see that there's a lot more S's scattered in here, and very few F's. We can see very few F's, very few G's. This means I did relatively well when typing those. And the program uses Markov chains to determine what letters come after specific letters as well. So there are a lot of algorithms in place. Another cool thing about this program is that it's not only supposed to help students who can see, but also those who are visually impaired. So suppose I turn on the sound, and here it'll prompt me to type the next letter. So H, J, D, F, D, S. And if I mess up on S, so let's say I'm supposed to type S over here, but I type in T.
Move down 1 and left 3.
So it tells me to move down 1 and left 3. And so I do that, and I keep typing. And that's a great feature for my program, so if the student wasn't able to see, they would still be able to learn how to type. And as I'm going through this, I do relatively well when typing my S's, but I'm messing up a lot on my D's. So after messing up on D's a lot this time, I can just go back. And first off, my stats have been updated. And another thing is that if we go to another program, my D's are supposed to be, actually they're supposed to be typed with this middle finger on my left hand. And we see that now there's a lot of letters that use my left hand, such as E's, and that's another cool learning algorithm that this program uses to test the user. And that's my program. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.